What's happening, guys? Welcome to RGHtechTv. This is Infinix S3x, which has been recently launched here in India. It comes with 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of inbuilt storage, and this is a review unit, guys. And the MRP being mentioned on the box is 11,000 rupees, but it's available for 10,000 rupees. I'll leave the links in the description box below. You can check that out. And it's made in India. That's what it says. Now there are some very interesting things about this phone. At the same time, some things I believe could have been improved. Let's discuss those things as we move on in this video. Let's quickly unbox this one, guys, and let's also have a look at camera samples. So quickly, let me cut the seal, and later on we'll see what else comes in the box. So this is the phone. We actually have this in 3 color variants, guys. So this is the aqua blue variant which I have here with me. Firstly, let me remove the sticker. One on the front side, we have one on the back side. So this actually comes with that fiberglass back panel, guys. Looks pretty good, feels pretty good. And we actually, so the main highlight of this phone is it comes with 4000 mAh battery. It has dual camera setup. So on the rear side we have 13 plus 2 megapixel camera setup. On the front side we have 16 megapixel camera setup, and in spite of it having 4000 mAh battery, it actually feels very light to hold. So quickly let me power this on, and while it boots up, let's quickly see the physical overview. On the top side we have 3.5mm headphone jack. On the right side we have power button and volume rockers. Power button has nice texture which actually differentiates it from volume rockers. On the bottom side we have my primary microphone, micro USB port, speaker grill. On the left side we have SIM tray. Let's quickly see if it comes with dedicated SD card slot. Yes, guys, it has triple slots, so you can add 2 SIM cards and SD card. Definitely that's helpful. On the rear side we have fingerprint sensor. Let's keep it aside. Let's see what else comes in the box. So I believe we do get a case. Yes, guys, we do have a case being included in the box, which is pretty good to know. So this is a soft TPU case. The quality seems pretty good. Let's keep it aside. We also get a screen protector. That's interesting to see. And we get warranty information, a quick start guide. Let's keep all these things aside. Apart from this, we have a flat style cable, and it's a normal USB to micro USB cable. The quality is pretty good. Let's keep it aside, and we get a charger. Let's see the rating. It's a normal 2 amp charger, guys. It's not a fast charger. So let's actually keep it aside. And apart from this, we get a SIM ejector pin, and there are no headphones being included in the box. So let's keep all these things aside, guys, and let's have a closer look at the device itself. Alright, guys, I have set up the device. Now before we look into camera samples, let's have a look at some device specific details. So this actually comes with 6.2 inch HD plus display. It's IPS display, guys. Let me increase the brightness so that you can have a clear view. As you can notice, it does have pretty good viewing angles, as you can notice, and the whites also look pure white. So display definitely looks pretty good, guys. It has that 19:9 aspect ratio, therefore you get that notch design. And if I have to show you the storage and RAM scenario, out of that 32 gigs, around 23 GB is available to user out of the box, and out of that 3 gigs of RAM, around 1.3 to 1.4 GB is available to user. Now this phone actually comes with Snapdragon 430 processor, which I believe is slightly old. They could have at least gone with Snapdragon 450, I feel. But anyways, let's not prejudge the performance. I'll test it for a week or so. Let's see how well it's been optimized on this Infinix S3x, and I'll definitely honestly let you know how good or how bad the performance is in the full review. Next, this phone has fingerprint sensor and also face unlock. Let's quickly see the performance. As you can notice, it's not the fastest, but it's decently good. It has that half a second of delay, which I believe could be improved through software update. So definitely software team, I believe, should work on this. Next, the face unlock is not that secure, guys. It opens even if you close your eyes, and it does have that half a second of delay as well. So this again, I believe, should be improved by the software team. So guys, quickly let's have a look at camera samples. Alright, guys, now looking at rear camera samples, focusing was very fast and accurate, and also you get crisp background blur. Again, you can notice that in the macro shots you get very good bokeh effect. Exposure handling was not that good and definitely needs improvement. Colors, on the other hand, were quite accurate, and in general images were also pretty sharp. Surprisingly, low light pictures were good with very little noise, and again you can notice that colors were natural. HDR pictures came out to be quite good. highlighting shadows and details. Next, portrait mode is also well implemented with good edge detection. It's not 100% accurate, but gets the job done and can be improved through software update. Now, selfies actually came out to be really good on this phone. They were sharp, colors were accurate, and also had good field of coverage or wide angle. Now, portrait mode on front facing camera needs improvement in terms of edge detection and exposure handling. So that's it, guys. If you feel this video was informative, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, follow us on Twitter at RGHtechTv, subscribe to us on YouTube. Most importantly, thanks for watching. I'll see you real soon.